After workstation, we have operation. So operation is nothing but operation is what the employee or the worker is going to perform, or the functionality that the employee will perform to make the product from the raw materials in a workstation. So I'll add the operation for now. So the operation, I'll be defining in which workstation we will be doing it. Then the name of the operation, for example, I'll be considering manufacture drone. If I have a job card, I'll add it. Otherwise, I will not add a job card, which is not mandatory, and we will save the operation. Yeah. So next we have routing. So we will use routing if we use more than one workstation for a particular product and we have multiple operations to manufacture a specific product. So I'll go to add. I'll add the name, for example, finish drone manufacturing. And then I'll add the operations such as first we will manufacture drone workstation. I'll do it in electronics assembly workstation type. Then the operation time is, for example, is 2 hours. The fixed time, if it is fixed time, then if it, I think it is like, for example, 1 hour. And operating cost, if there is any cost, for example, I'll consider 100, and like that. And if you want to add multiple, I'll add like the quality testing. If we want to include it in the process of manufacturing the drone, then I'll give another operation in which workstation will it be done. It might be the same or it might be a different workstation. Then I'll define the operation time. Then what is the fixed time needed, operating cost. For example, for quality assurance, we need 50. So I'll save the routing time. So we have added the routing.